The fastest and most convenient way to order all missing products is to use the Smart Order button. In this case, the system will first check whether products can be transferred between warehouses and generate a smart order. Then it will create purchase orders only for the products that cannot be transferred. To do this, select all the products you want to reorder and click the Smart Order button. First, the system found that we have excess stock in the main warehouse, and we can transfer the required product between warehouses. We can either approve the transfer or ignore it if we do not want to perform a transfer and want to create an order only. In the next step, the system automatically generated the required purchase order, split everything into blocks, and selected the appropriate suppliers. Even if you selected a product that is above the par level, it will not be added to the order because its current quantity is already sufficient. After saving, you can see that the products now show the updated actual quantities. The missing products were transferred from the main warehouse to the second warehouse, and a purchase order was created for the third warehouse. You can also go to the purchasing and transfer sections to send the order to the supplier or give it to the warehouse employee for transportation.